guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I'm Gian. Today I'm excited to partner with cabbage cheese on this video, and I'm going to make a recipe for you that I grew up eating, and that is called rice and cheese loaf. This is a dish that I grew up eating. My mom used to make this for us on special occasions, and it's like macaroni and cheese, but instead it's made with rice, which makes sense because Guyana is a rice producing country. What I love about this dish is that it's super simple, everything is easy to throw together, and I'm using Cabot's extra sharp cheddar cheese and their pepper jack cheese. The reason why I chose the extra sharp cheddar is because I want that bite from the cheddar cheese, and the pepper jack gives it a nice peppery flavor. Stay tuned and I'll show you how easy it is to make the best rice and cheese loaf.
The first step is to make the cheese sauce. I'm going to start by melting butter over a low fire. Once the butter is melted, I'm going to add diced onions and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding garlic. While this cooks, I'm going to tell you a little about Cabot. Cabot is a cooperative owned by farm families throughout New York and New England. And what's great about it is that 100% of the proceeds go back to the farmers. Now I'm going to add flour and stir until combined. I'm going to cook this for just a few minutes. The full recipe will be below in the description box. Now I'm going to add the milk. And I'm going to add the milk in batches while stirring in between to prevent lumps. It will still look slightly lumpy, but that's because of the onions. Now that the sauce is thickened, I'm going to add shredded cheese, and I'm using Cabot's extra sharp white cheddar cheese and pepper jack cheese. All Cabot cheddars are naturally aged. And I'm going to give it a good stir just to make sure that everything is mixed well. Then I'm going to add salt, black pepper, mustard, and scallion and stir to combine. This cheese sauce is a good base. If you remove the onions and the scallion, you can use it for macaroni and cheese or a nacho cheese dip. Now it's time to add the rice, and this rice was pre-cooked yesterday. I undercooked the rice slightly because it will finish cooking once it goes into the oven and will be the perfect texture. I'm going to add 1 beaten egg to the mix and stir this in quickly so it doesn't scramble when it hits the heat. Brush a casserole dish with melted butter, then pour the mixture into the casserole dish. Top with more cheese and paprika and place into an oven preheated at 355 degrees. Bake until golden brown and bubbling. I cannot wait to give this a taste. The crispy edges are my favorite. I love the combination of flavors from the extra sharp cheddar and the pepper jack cheese. Have you ever had rice and cheese loaf? Let me know in the comments below. This recipe is also on my blog where I share a ton of recipes just like this and will be linked below. Thank you for joining me and be sure to subscribe.